Okay, I'm going to make a video called All My Children. And I'm going to go through all the kittens at one time. Real fast. Okay, so I'm just going to grab one here. This one is Prince. Parents are Snow and Hemingway. It's kind of like a pageant. Next up, Pouncival. Parents are Snow and Hemingway. Pouncival and Prince are 5 weeks old today. Or tomorrow, really. Next up, we have Domino. Parents are Snow and Hemingway. Domino is 5 weeks old tomorrow. Next up, we have Claw. Parents are Snow and Hemingway. And he turns 5 weeks old tomorrow. Claw. Next up, I'm just grabbing anybody. Next up, we have, Miss Clairol. Little girl. Her mother is Camilla. And say hi. Yes, good. And her father is Hemingway. Miss Clairol. What is this? Okay. This is bicolor Bonsai. This is Bonsai. Parents are Camilla and Hemingway. He's a little boy. Their date of birth was March the 4th, I think, so. They're still a little bitty, aren't they? Pouncival, don't jump off the bed. Okay, we gotta move quickly. Who is this? This is Mushroom. Parents are Momo and Hemingway. He's a little boy. Okay, what's this? Oh. Hi, sweetheart. This is Chopstick. Parents are Momo and Hemingway. He's a little boy. Oh, this big boy. Who is this big boy? Come here. Oh, look at this bit. This is One Tom. He's a big boy. And his parents are Momo and Hemingway. But he's heavy. Let's see, who is this here? Oh my gosh, this is Tofu. He's got a blue collar too, but his mother is Camilla and his father is Hemingway. Tofu, little boy. Okay, Tofu. See that? Okay, we gotta move fast here. Who is this I have? What's going on? Hold on a second. I'm having technical difficulties. Hold on just a second. The crap? What in the world? Well, I'm taking this off of you. Sorry, her collar got stuck. So I'm going to take her collar off. This is Kassidy. She's a little girl and her mother is Camilla and her father is Hemingway. Beautiful little girl. Might have to keep her. Kassidy. Okay. Next we have Kimmy Chi. Kimmy Chi comes to us from Momo and Hemingway. She's a little girl. Beautiful little girl. Next up, a little sweetheart we have here. Ping Pong. My little sweetheart, Ping Pong. He's a little boy. His parents are Momo and Hemingway. Oh my goodness, who we have here? Oh my gosh, red collar. Look at these kittens for a minute while I look up red collar. Oh, this is Gia. Say hi. Good, Gia. Hi, she says. Her parents are Camilla and Hemingway. And she's a little girl. Domino, are you looking at me? Okay. Little orange collar. Hi, darling. Is this Bigglesworth? Bigglesworth, you don't look like a hamster anymore. I hardly recognized you. Hi, 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 he says hi, hi, hi with his hands. Oh, hello, hello. Mr. Bigglesworth, you're so sweet. He looked like a hamster for the longest time. But his parents are Camilla and Hemingway. Little boy. And who do we have here but Sushi Sue? Sushi Sue comes to us from Momo and Hemingway. She's a little girl. And if she doesn't sell, she's going to be staying with me. She's a beautiful little girl. Okay, so there we have all my children. Here at Kitten Mary Castle in March. And they're growing and developing. So stay tuned.